How to turn on or off character count on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to find and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the list until you find the Messages app, and then tap on it to access its settings. Inside the Messages menu, scroll down all the way down to find the SMS or MMS settings. Here, locate the character count option. Tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it on and off. This shows a character count when composing messages, helping you track their length. Following these steps, you can easily enable character count in messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.